Hello बच्चों, this is Dr. Swapnil and today we are going to learn very crucial topic related to the NEET preparation. So the topic name is neural control and coordination. So here we are going to learn the basic aspects of the neural control and coordination. So mostly I am going to cover the NCRT class 11th biology. So very important topic for your PG preparation. So let's go. So this is a brief introduction to the neural control and coordination. What is the first we'll try to understand the nervous system. What is nervous system? Nervous system plays an important and crucial role in controlling and coordinating all the body functions. It enables communication between different parts of the body, allowing both voluntary and involuntary actions. What nervous system does? It maintains the control and it coordinates all the body functions, and it allows body to control the voluntary and involuntary actions. So nervous system consists of two. One is central nervous system and another is peripheral nervous system. So central nervous system, the name itself denotes central. It is a central aspects. What central nervous system consists of? It consists of brain and spinal cord. It serves as the main control center for the processing and transmitting information throughout the body. So the brain is responsible for thought, emotions, coordination, while the spinal cords act as a conduit for signals between the brain and rest of the body. So what it consists of? One, brain, and second one is spinal cord. First is brain and second one is spinal cord. So brain is responsible for thoughts, emotions, coordinations, while spinal cord is does spinal cord does? It conduit signal between the brain and the rest of the body. So, and the second thing you'll see the peripheral nervous system. So peripheral nervous system, what it includes? It includes all the nerves outside the central nervous system. Peripheral, the name denotes it is peripheral. All the nerves which is outside the central nervous system, which is included in peripheral nervous system. What it does? It connects central nervous system to the limbs, organs. What it does? It by facilitating sensory and motor functions. It facilitates the sensory and motor function. And what peripheral nervous system is further divided into somatic nervous system, which controls the voluntary movement, soma, which is voluntary, and autonomic nervous system, which regulates the involuntary functions. So somatic, which is voluntary movement, and automatic, the name itself denotes involuntary movement. So now let's go further. So now we will understand the structure and function of the brain and spinal cord. So let's see the brain. What is brain? Brain is a complex organ. दिमाग का भेजा हो जाता है. So that is brain. It's a very complex organ. So what is brain? Brain is the central organ of the nervous system, responsible for processing sensory information, regulating bodily functions, enabling cognition. So what it does? It is responsible for the processing sensory information, regulating bodily functions, and enabling cognition. And brain is divided into three main parts. That is forebrain, midbrain, and hindbrain. Brain is divided into three parts. One is forebrain, second one is midbrain, and third one is hindbrain. So these are the three parts of the brain. Okay, so let's go for the forebrain functionality. So we'll see first forebrain. Forebrain, what it consists of? It consists of cerebrum, thalamus, and hypothalamus. What it involves in higher cognitive functions such as thinking, decision making, emotional response. See what the forebrain is. Forebrain is consist of first cerebrum, second thalamus, and third hypothalamus. So these three parts are included in forebrain. So these are the important. Cerebrum is the most of the most important part, and most of the brain is cerebrum only. And second one is thalamus, and third one is hypothalamus. So these are the three parts. They can ask a question: which of the following are the part of the forebrain? So let's move forward. Then midbrain. So midbrain plays a crucial role in vision and hearing. देखने और सुनने के काम आएगा मिड, ठीक है. और it acts as a relay center for auditory and visual information. Is essential for the reflexive response to stimuli. What midbrain role? Mid means in the middle. What middle? In the middle क्या है? देखना है और सुनना है. गूंगा और बहरा. गूंगा और बहरा इन द मिडल. ओके, ऐसे याद रखो, ठीक है. हिंड ब्रेन. सो इट इंक्लूड्स pons, cerebellum, medulla oblongata, and what it regulates vital functions such as breathing, heart rate, and coordination of the movement. What hindbrain consists of? It consists of pons, then cerebellum, chota dimag, and third is medulla oblongata. So these are the three parts of the hindbrain. And what it controls? It controls breathing, heart rate, coordination of the movement. So these, they can ask a question: heart rate, breathing is controlled by the hindbrain. And which of the following are the part of the hindbrain? Pons, cerebellum, and medulla oblongata. So let's move further. Spinal cord. So what is spinal cord? Spinal cord is a crucial structure that connects the brain to the rest of the body. What it does? It connects brain to the rest of the body. What it facilitates? Reflex actions and serves as communication pathway for signals traveling between the brain and peripheral nervous system. It is communication pathway. बीच का दोहरा है, ठीक है. तो क्या करेगा? सिग्नल जो ट्रैवल हो रहे बिटवीन ब्रेन एंड पेरिफेरल नर्वस सिस्टम, इट एक्ट्स एज अ communication. So let's move further. Then is reflex action. What are the reflex actions? The reflex actions are the automatic responses to stimuli that occurs without a conscious thought. आपके अगर हाथ में ठंडा आइस पानी डाल दिया है तो definitely you will move that hand suddenly without even thinking of. That is the reflex action. So that actions is the spinal cord mediates these responses, allowing for quick reactions to potentially harmful situation. वही है, ठंडा पानी गिर गया, पोटेंशियल हार्मफुल सिचुएशन है. सो विदाउट इवन थिंकिंग ऑफ, बॉडी विल मेक श्योर यू विल रिमूव दैट हैंड एज सुन एज पॉसिबल. या कोई जलती हुई चीज़ हाथ पे अगर टच भी हो गई तो फटाक से वी विल रिमूव आवर हैंड एज सुन एज पॉसिबल, सो दैट वी विल अवॉइड द पोटेंशियल हार्मफुल damage. So let's move forward. So this is Signal transmission. What is signal transmission? Spinal cord also plays a vital role in signal transmission, conveying message to and from the brain. This process enables the body to respond appropriately to the environmental changes. This is the signal transmission. Simple. Okay. So I think you might have got the crux. So let's overview brain. I will try to overview as fast as possible. So the brain consists of forebrain, midbrain, and hindbrain. So forebrain consists of cerebellum, thalamus, and hypothalamus. So what its function is? For higher thinking, decision making, emotional response. Then third is midbrain. What it does for middle है vision and hearing, गूंगा और बहरा. ऐसा याद रखिए, just remember like that. Then third is hindbrain consists of pons, medulla oblongata, and cerebellum. What it does the very important role: heart rate controlling, and breathing, and coordination of the movement. Then comes spinal cord is a crucial structure. What it does, it connects the brain and rest of the body. Reflex action, reflexes, it's automatic response to a stimuli. And signal transmission of the signal. Okay बच्चों, students, I think you might have definitely understand whatever the concept which I have taught you till now. If you have any issues, you just comment down. I will try to explain it in a very lucid and easy way.